Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is class 10th, 9th, subject general science. Our today's topic is kinetic energy. We know that energy is the ability or the capacity of a body to do work. That means a body having energy that can do work. There are various forms of energy, such as electrical energy, chemical energy, kinetic energy, potential energy, heat energy, these are light energy, sound energy. These are the different or various forms of energy. One of the energy which we discuss today, that is the kinetic energy. What do you mean by kinetic energy? Kinetic energy, it is the energy possessed by an object in motion, or the energy contained by a moving object. So energy yus objects as really motion as. So energy yus objects as due to its motion. That energy is called kinetic energy. A moving object, it can do work. As we know that anybody which possesses energy, that can do work. Similarly, a moving object, it can also do work. It has such work kara. An object moving faster can do more work than an identical object moving relatively slow. For example, a moving bullet, blowing wind, a moving wheel, they can do more work than more work. A speed suit can do work. They can do work. These moving objects, they do this work due to the kinetic energy. These moving objects, they possess kinetic energy. They possess kinetic energy. You see, kinetic energy, it is the energy possessed by an object due to its motion. Kinetic energy is the energy possessed by an object due to its motion, or the kinetic energy of an object. It increases. It increases. Depend kinetic energy of an object. It depends upon the speed of speed. Increase with the speed of an object. Energy possessed by a moving object by virtue of its motion, that energy is termed as kinetic energy. We can say that kinetic energy of a moving object with a certain velocity work done on it to make it acquire that speed or that velocity. अगर इसे वुचो kinetic energy, the kinetic energy possessed by an object of mass m and moving with a uniform velocity v is बराबर क्या था सा e k और k e is equal to 1/2 of mv square. So now you see kinetic energy possessed by an object of mass m moving with a uniform velocity v, it is equal to ke. Kinetic energy is equal to 1/2 of mv square, where m is the mass of a moving object and v is the uniform velocity. This is the expression, mathematical expression for an kinetic energy. تیٚلہِ kinetic energy, it is the energy possessed, energy is possessed as by a body due to its motion, that is called kinetic energy.